Hey guys, I'm Ashley, and today I'm going to show you 5 really cool, quick and easy 3D prints to give as last minute Christmas presents. If you're like me and you procrastinate a lot, these are going to come in handy. So let's check it out on Chip Builds. Okay, so the first thing I did was I jumped into Illustrator and I made a few ellipses of different sizes. I believe this is roughly about 4 inches. I just aligned the centers up of each circle so that I could get the rim of the button, and then I went on to making the little button holes that you would put the thread through. I really like how these button coasters came out. I just think they're kind of cute and whimsical. And once all the circles were done and it was how I liked it, I saved it as an SVG so that I can import it into Fusion. Next, I opened up Fusion 360, and this can take a long time to open, so just be patient. It does take a lot of RAM. And once this was open, I went up to the new document and I made a new sketch. Well, first, you save it just in case. Then I made a new sketch and I chose the correct plane that I wanted to draw on. And I did insert SVG, and I found the SVG file. I think I named it Button Coasters. Put it in, centered it, and now we can work with it. So now what you can do is you have the different parts of the SVG, and these are, you can select these and you can hit extrude. E is a shortcut, and now you have a 3D shape. And you see how the others went away? So you just turn the sketch back on, and then you can grab the other part of the design and extrude that as well. So you could stop here and it would be fine, but I wanted to go a little further. So I made some fillets around it and some chamfers just to make it look a little better, just so it wasn't as stocky. And once I was happy with how the design was, I exported it as an STL, and I actually made two, one that has the rounded bottom and one that has the flat. I ended up going with the rounded bottom because I thought it looked better. I recently got the Ender 3 Pro and I absolutely love it. It definitely has lived up to the hype that everyone has given it. And as you can see here, I used white PLA, and I didn't check beforehand, but I ran out of PLA, and so it was kind of a waste. This is what I get for putting the print on before I go to bed without checking. But overall, it ended up working out okay because I printed the coasters out in a bunch of different glittery filaments, and they ended up looking really cool. The second thing I decided to include in this last minute prints video was this topographic map of the Matterhorn. I just think topographic maps look amazing, and they're so simple, and you can change the layer height to make it give a real, cool texture to the surface of it. I am using a 0.4 nozzle here, and so I wouldn't recommend going any bigger than 75% of your model. So the highest I would go would be a 0.3 layer height. But this thing ended up looking really cool, and you can do it in tons of different colors. You could even cut the filament halfway through and change colors, and that could give it a cool effect for the different trees or like snow if it's on the mountain and stuff. But these are a favorite gift of mine to give, so I included it on this video. The next thing I decided to include in this video is 3D printed earrings and jewelry. These work out really well. I did this simple extrude in Fusion, and I came out with these awesome glittery leaf earrings. So these are going to be for my sister for Christmas, and she's going to love them. Alright, keeping with the jewelry theme, I made these last year, and these are twisted ring holders. I have made a bigger one that you can put watches and bracelets on, and those work out pretty well. You can always scale these, and they just end up looking really cool. They could also double as Christmas decorations for Christmas trees. If you have a little winter scene, these could fit in nicely. The last thing I've included on this list is lithophanes. Lithophanes are my favorite thing of all time, and this is a nightlight that I'm making for my friend's kid, and everyone loves these gifts. Like, it blows people's minds. I don't know what it is, but they look amazing. This one was of Elsa, and then I lost the footage for this, but this is of the Death Star plans, and this is really cool and super nerdy, and I'm honestly probably going to keep this one for myself, but lithophanes are amazing. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Merry Christmas to you all, and I'll put links to all the different files that can be found in this video in the description. So check it out. Bye.